Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to talk about Cordilla. So, if you want to come on a Cordilla cruises and if you feel like reading a book, I know it's sounding a little surprised, like who will come and read a book. But believe me, guys, I've been working on a cruise ship. I have seen people coming on a cruise ship and they love to read. So, on Cordilla Cruises, you have something this a library. Okay, now this area is called a library. You can bring your own book, not a problem. If you don't have, then also it's not a problem. So they have their own library, a set of books which they have kept. I can just show it to you. Just give me a minute. You can see here, these are the books they have with them. So you can come here and you can read books. There's a lady over there who is reading a book. So don't be surprised, people do come on a cruise ship and they read books. So this is a small video about the library. I'll make more videos about this and inform you about cruise ship. So please subscribe to my channel. See ya.